This week is Severe Weather Awareness Week here in Alabama, a very important week, and lightning is certainly a dangerous weather phenomenon.
Meteorologist Pooja Simpson explains how lightning forms and shares some tips on how you can stay safe.
Lightning is a giant spark of electricity, and this energy causes the air to expand rapidly, resulting in a loud rumble we call thunder. So how exactly does lightning form? Well, first you need to have a thunderstorm, which forms when warm air rises into the atmosphere, producing storm clouds. Clouds form when water vapor in the air cools into water droplets. Some droplets freeze into ice particles, and they end up colliding together in the cloud. These collisions cause positive and negative charges in the cloud. The updraft, or rising air, carries the positively charged particles higher into the cloud, into the thunderstorm, and the thunderstorm cloud is mostly negatively charged, which causes a mostly positive charge to form on the ground. When these opposite charges become strong enough, there is an energy release, or a flash. Lightning often connects the negative charge in the cloud to the positive charges on the ground. Positive strikes can occur from the storm anvil and meet the ground to negatively charged. Lightning can also take place within a cloud or can travel between two clouds. Did you know that lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun at 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit? That is why we always remind you, when thunder roars, go indoors. Lightning tends to strike the tallest object in any open space because they're the closest to the storm cloud and the first thing in the path of lightning. You want to avoid open fields, the top of hills, ridges, trees, and other tall objects. Electrical currents can travel easily through water and metal, so it's important to stay clear of bodies of water and objects like fences or poles during a thunderstorm. Lightning can strike miles away from the parent storm, so you want to make sure you stay inside until 30 minutes after the last rumble of thunder is heard. Alabama was ranked 11 in the country for total lightning count in 2024 at nearly 6 million strikes, and is one of the top related storm killers in the country. So again, when thunder roars, go indoors.